Hello everyone, and welcome back. Today we'll be visiting Prince Edward Island, commonly known as PEI, a province in Canada located in the Gulf of St. Lawrence. PEI is known for its stunning scenery, beautiful red sand beaches, and unique cultural heritage. It is also famous for its delicious seafood, particularly lobster, and also as the birthplace of Canada's founding father, Sir John A. Macdonald. With a population of just over 160,000 people, PEI is one of the smallest provinces in Canada, but it is big on hospitality and charm. I'm happy to be able to show you 10 of my favorite spots on the island. And of Green Gables Museum, this museum is located in the town of Park Corner, and is dedicated to the classic Canadian novel Anne of Green Gables. Visitors can tour the farmhouse where the author, Lucy Maud Montgomery, lived, and learn about her life and writing. Cavendish Beach, this stunning stretch of sand and water, is a popular destination for swimming, sunbathing, and beachcombing. It's also a great place for hiking, with trails that lead through the dunes and along the coast. Prince Edward Island National Park, this park covers some of the most beautiful landscapes in PEI, including red sandstone cliffs, rolling dunes, and pristine beaches. Visitors can hike, bike, or kayak through the park, and there are also campgrounds and picnic areas available. The charming town of Charlottetown is the capital of PEI and a popular tourist destination. Visitors can stroll through its historic streets, shop for souvenirs, and sample local seafood. There are also several museums and cultural attractions to explore, including the Confederation Centre of the Arts. Confederation Centre of the Arts, this cultural centre is dedicated to showcasing the arts in PEI, with galleries, theatres, and concert halls. Visitors can see live performances, take classes, or simply explore the exhibitions on display. Lobster boat tours offer a unique and authentic experience for visitors. During the tour, you'll get to see the working harbour and learn about the lobster fishing industry, which is a major part of PEI's economy and culture. You'll board a traditional lobster boat and set out into the waters, where you'll see the boats pulling up their traps, learn about the different types of lobster found in the area, and learn about the sustainable fishing practices used by the local lobster fishermen. Victoria by the Sea, this quaint Victorian village is a charming place to visit, with its picturesque streets, restored homes, and vibrant harbour. Visitors can stroll through the town, shop for souvenirs, and sample local seafood. PEI Preserve Company, this company specializes in making high-quality preserves, jellies, and sauces using local ingredients. Visitors can take a tour of the facilities, sample the products, and learn about the process of making preserves. New Glasgow, this small town is located in the centre of PEI and is known for its rolling hills, lush forests, and vibrant farmland. Visitors can explore the countryside, sample local cuisine, and visit the shops and art galleries in town. PEI Potato Museum, this museum is dedicated to the history and culture of the potato on PEI. Visitors can learn about the history of the crop, see antique farm equipment, and sample local potato dishes. These are just some of the many amazing places to visit in Prince Edward Island. Whether you're a fan of history, nature, or just looking for a peaceful escape, this beautiful Canadian island has something to offer everyone. We hope you enjoy your stay.